Hairdryer, go out, raise the root. It's going viral right now. Amazing. Fat, juicy round brush.
Yes, we love it.
Volumizer, but it has no alcohol in it. It gives the hair an amazing amount of volume. You always want to push the hair away from the scalp. A lot of people kind of put it down here and you get a flat root.
Love volume over here,
So we'll look under into the brush. Full heat. Don't ever do it on a low heat. The blowout will last. Thing that looks like even bigger.
It actually looks like a pigtail.
Take the section, the silver clip. Makes everything last longer.
I'm ready to see the results.
Yes, volume.
Yes.
Obviously, we'll brush it out after.
Yay.
Big or go home. You want to go big on the back?
Yes.
All right. The bigger the brush, the more volume you're going to get and less curl. It's been what, 5 minutes? So we let the difference in the volume.
I mean, already, look at this.
Are you guys kidding me?
Look at that.
Let's raise the root. Let's go. This literally is raise the root. I mean, look at
Literally.
that. Tease at the root. So boom,
Okay.
boom, boom. This kind of gives your hair even more volume. So when you brush it out, it stays in place. So I usually just give it a little tease. One side blow dried. Hot, sexy, bouncy hair. Look how much volume.
So voluminous. Oh, you know that we love it, Chris. We love big, sexy hair.
Yeah.